Hello, health seekers and lovers of natural beauty. Today, we're going to talk about rice water. Have you ever wondered if the secret to glowing skin, silky hair, and better digestion might already be sitting in your kitchen? That cloudy liquid you usually toss away after rinsing rice could actually be liquid gold. Yes, we're talking about rice water, an ancient remedy that's quietly made a massive comeback in modern wellness. But before we dive into this miracle tonic, let's take a moment to appreciate rice itself. For thousands of years, rice has been more than just a staple food. From Asia to Africa, this humble grain has been a source of energy, comfort, and nutrition for over half the world's population. It's rich in complex carbohydrates, which provide lasting energy, and it contains essential nutrients like magnesium, selenium, B vitamins, and a touch of protein. In its unpolished brown form, it also provides dietary fiber, supporting digestion and heart health. Now here's where things get even more fascinating. When rice is soaked or cooked, it releases some of its nutrients, antioxidants, and starches into the water. This leftover liquid, once considered waste, is actually a traditional remedy used for generations to promote healing, beauty, and vitality. Rice water is packed with vitamins B and E, minerals, amino acids, and ferulic acid, a powerful antioxidant. When applied to the skin, rice water acts as a natural elixir, soothing inflammation and calming irritation. Its rich content of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals helps to brighten the complexion, giving the skin a smoother, more radiant appearance. Many people also find relief from conditions like eczema or acne, as rice water gently balances oil production and supports the skin's natural barrier. This age-old beauty secret offers a simple yet powerful way to nourish and heal the skin naturally. For hair, it acts like a natural conditioner, strengthening strands, reducing breakage, and adding a brilliant, healthy shine. Rich in amino acids, vitamins, and inositol, rice water nourishes the scalp and repairs damaged hair from root to tip. Regular use can improve hair elasticity, promote smoother texture, and even support growth by creating a healthier environment for follicles. It's a simple, chemical-free treatment rooted in ancient beauty traditions that continues to deliver impressive results today. But that's not all. When consumed internally in moderate amounts, rice water can serve as a natural remedy to help replenish lost electrolytes, especially after episodes of dehydration caused by diarrhea or intense physical activity. Rich in essential minerals like potassium and magnesium, rice water supports the body's fluid balance and aids in faster recovery. Its mild, soothing nature also makes it gentle on the digestive system, helping to calm inflammation and support gut health while restoring vital nutrients. Rice water is a time-tested home remedy known for its ability to ease digestive issues like diarrhea. Its starchy composition helps coat the lining of the stomach, reducing irritation and promoting gentle digestion. Rich in simple carbohydrates and easy to absorb, rice water provides a quick source of energy while slowing down bowel movements. This soothing drink can help rehydrate the body and restore balance in the gut, making it especially useful for children and adults recovering from gastrointestinal distress. Rice water provides a gentle energy boost thanks to its natural content of easily digestible carbohydrates. These simple sugars offer a quick source of fuel for the body without overwhelming the digestive system. Unlike sugary drinks or caffeine, rice water delivers sustained energy in a soothing and balanced way, making it an ideal option for those recovering from illness, fatigue, or physical exertion. Its light, nourishing nature helps revitalize the body while keeping energy levels stable. If you're enjoying what you're hearing so far, consider subscribing to support the growth of our community. Let us know where you're watching from in the comments below, and don't forget to come back for more health tips and wellness advice. In some cultures, rice water is traditionally used as a gentle recovery drink for children and the elderly during times of illness or dehydration. Its mild taste, soothing texture, and ability to restore lost fluids make it especially comforting for sensitive systems. Packed with essential nutrients and electrolytes, rice water helps rehydrate the body while supporting digestion and overall strength. This age-old remedy continues to be valued for its simplicity, effectiveness, and safety across generations. The use of rice water, especially fermented rice water, dates back to ancient Japan and China. A 2010 study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science examined the Yao women of China, known for their incredibly long, healthy hair. Researchers attributed this in part to their use of rice water in hair care rituals. Use with caution or avoid if you have oily, acne-prone skin. Fermented rice water can cause flare-ups if not rinsed properly. You're sensitive to fermented products. Fermented rice water can be potent and may irritate sensitive skin. You're diabetic. Drinking rice water can affect blood sugar due to starch content. You're on a low-carb or keto diet. Rice water contains carbs and should be consumed moderately. Always patch test rice water before applying it to the face or scalp, especially if you're prone to allergies. When drinking rice water, make sure it's prepared hygienically, and avoid keeping it for too long. It can spoil if left unrefrigerated. Rice water is more than a trend, it's a timeless treasure, backed by generations of use and growing scientific support. Whether you're looking to revitalize your skin, restore your hair, or nourish your body gently from within, this humble kitchen leftover may be exactly what you need. So next time you rinse your rice, think twice before tossing that water. You just might be pouring away one of nature's most gentle, affordable remedies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.